What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got hit by another fucking driver in San Francisco. These drivers are terrible. They're the worst drivers, hands down, in the nation, in my personal opinion. I've been to different states. I've driven in a bunch of different states. This just takes the cake. They're so aloof, it is ridiculous. Now, I'm going to explain the situation here. Now, in California, it is legal to white line. You can split lanes. Shouldn't really do it at speed, but cops really don't give a shit. The cops do it too. Now, what was happening is we were on a 3-lane road, and we were coming down, and you'll notice that in my lane, there's basically traffic on the left-hand side that's backed up. The reason why is because once I get closer, I realize that this douchebag is double parked in the middle of this really busy express street, which one of these days, you keep doing that, you're gonna have someone not paying attention, they're just gonna run into the back of your car. So I'm coming to kind of get by that car, and then this person to the right of me is just assuming, because that car is double parked, that there's no one to the left of him, so he doesn't even look. And right when he starts merging, I can see him. I don't have time to really react or push the button because I had to hold on to the fucking handlebars for dear life, and he just starts nudging me off the road while I'm yelling at him, and then the bike just... Luckily, because I'm so physically active, I have almost no injuries except for like a little boo-boo on this fucking finger. Other than that, I landed on my feet. Then you can see right here,
what the fuck?
I yell at him. If this was me like maybe a decade ago or even 15 years ago when I was in my 20s or even early 20s, I was a lot different person. My patience today was at an all-time level. I'm just gonna keep moving because I was so angry. I knew if I went up to him, I would not be able to restrain myself from popping him right in the fucking face. So I just left, knowing that I had the whole entire accident on video, also knowing that I have his face because he got out of the car on video.
Whoa! What the fuck? I'm good, man. You just gotta watch it, bro.
It's fine. It's on me. It's on me. It's on me. All right.
Hey. Fuck.
I've already sent his license plate to my insurance agent. I've already talked to the police, filed a police report. Like, it's just ridiculous. I could have easily gone under the car and he could have ran over me with the back tires. And it wasn't just me. My dog was with me too. Now, yes, granted, there are gonna be people out there, hey, you should have been white lining, you should have been splitting lanes. It's legal. So that thing right there is null and void because this person wasn't paying attention to what the fuck they were doing. I just want to give a PSA, guys. Please be aware of your surroundings when you're out riding because there are horrible drivers. It's not always you. Most of the time it's not you, it's them. So be aware, use your peripherals, and make sure that you're really paying attention. I mean, other than that, guys, what can I say? I'm alive, so things could be a lot worse. Like, comment, subscribe, I'll see you guys on the next one.